Welcome back to another video. You're talking to 60BaeGrey and you're driving with 60BaeGrey. Okay. Yeah, man. Ordered the Corvette. And now that I ordered the Corvette, I got to make room for the Corvette. So we're looking at about another 2 or 3 weeks before the vet comes in. Maybe a little longer than that. There have been some delays with the production of it. But overall, I'm excited to get the vet, no cap. So you're driving with 60BaeGrey. I'm in the car right now. This is my daily car. And the video today is, since we ordered the Corvette, need to be able to clean out the garage to make sure I can get it in there. I have a 2-car garage. We have a lot of things in our garage right now. And I just need to tighten it up. It's already summertime, so it's, I don't want to say summer cleaning, but it's a late spring cleaning for the garage. So comment below if you've done your spring cleaning or you like, forget it, I'm not doing any of that. But anyway, yeah, I'm not looking forward to doing this, but it's not a whole lot of stuff, but it's a lot of stuff. You'll see. But hey, I'm glad that you tuned in. Like, comment, subscribe. Appreciate you starting this journey here and taking you guys right along with me. So with that being said, let's go ahead and let's get out the car and go ahead. I want to grab my keys. Go ahead and start the process. Okay, let's go. All right, as you can see here, we have a lot of things that has to be done. Coolers need to be moved. Things just need to be organized. All these containers back here, they're pretty much gonna stay there. This is for, all those containers are for a purpose. Talk about that maybe in another video. But all these tents, everything in here is for a purpose. Some of it is kind of like junk, but anyway, yeah. So I'm gonna sit the camera down so you guys can see what I gotta do. All right, guys, let the games begin. I gotta clean up this garage. So with the magic of cameras, TV, and with a snap of a finger, we here and we're done. So if you look behind me, all the things that needed to be done are taken care of. Let me just flip the camera around. So you can see here where those coolers were. I put them over here. All those coolers aren't mine. These things, the tables and the coolers, all that's leaving. The chairs, all that right there is mine. So you see I stacked up, made it a little bit more organized. So I can get 2 cars in here. Cause we gonna be driving with 60BaeGrey. We gonna be driving with 60BaeGrey. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna get the lighting straight, get everything straight. But like I said, my car, I know that if you're watching this video, you have already seen the vlog that I did when I went to go purchase the vehicle. But we have a surprise outcome. The mystery surprise. Da, 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 da. We have a surprise outcome. So more details about that real soon. We drive with 60BaeGrey, and that's the whole part about the hanging out with me is driving with 60BaeGrey. All right, you get back in the car. So driving with 60BaeGrey, what's that gonna be like? You never know. Until you tune in to find out, no cap. So at the end of the day, I'm not trying to be real serious. I'm gonna give informative content, but I'm gonna keep it light. I'm gonna keep it light. I like to keep it fun. So anyway, definitely need you to like, comment, and subscribe, and definitely turn on your post notification bell so you can get alerts of when I post. And I'm just starting doing this, and more than likely I'll do 3, maybe 4 videos a week. But at the end of the day, it'll be enough content so you'll be driving with 60BaeGrey. So stay tuned for the next video. And until then, be safe out on the road, and look forward to driving with 60BaeGrey. No cap. Welcome to the channel. You're driving with 60BaeGrey. Thanks for tuning in. We got stop recording. Hey guys. Welcome to the channel. Stop recording. But anyway, stop recording.
I'm right here, got that real drip, got a stack right there. 60BaeGrey coming out of the hood, ripping this mic, what? No fuzz. 60BaeGrey got that real drip, no cap, no cap, no cap. Step back, step back, step, dropping this heat, no cap, no cap, no cap. All you guys, all cap, all cap. I'm ripping this mic like splash, like that, like that. Fall back, I'm still on the mic, spitting facts like that, like that. Fall back, I'm still on the mic, spitting facts like that, like that. Step back, dropping this heat, no cap, no cap. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. You tell them 60.
Welcome to our music family.
60BaeGrey, I'm right here, got that real drip, got a stack right there. 60BaeGrey coming out of the hood, ripping this mic, what? No fuzz. 60BaeGrey, I'm right here, got that real drip, got a stack right there. 60BaeGrey coming out of the hood, ripping this mic, what? No fuzz. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. You tell them 60. Told you once and I told you twice. I'ma tell you again so you get it right. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. Got the sexy drip for y'all to stare. All y'all say 60BaeGrey, 60BaeGrey, 60BaeGrey. Cause 60BaeGrey got the real drip in the sexy lane. All the ladies say 60BaeGrey, 60BaeGrey, 60BaeGrey. Step back, dropping this heat, no cap, no cap. Step back, dropping this heat, no cap.
Welcome to our music family.
60BaeGrey, I'm right here, got that real drip, got a stack right there. 60BaeGrey coming out of the hood, ripping this mic, what? No fuzz. 60BaeGrey, I'm right here, got that real drip, got a stack right there. 60BaeGrey coming out of the hood, ripping this mic, what? No fuzz.